Hey folks, welcome to Busted Outdoors. I'm your host, Patrick Landis. Today we're going to do something a little different. I'm going to be doing an unboxing. My wife called me today while I was at work and said, hey, just got a box in the mail, and I knew exactly what it was. Finally got my Hunter's Box Club subscription. First box I've received ever, so really excited to open this with you guys together and see what all we have in here. Devin could have thought it'd have been funny and packed me an empty box. Ha ha ha, but there's stuff in there. I can hear it. There's stuff in there. So, yeah, get on huntersboxclub.com to order your first box. First box right now is free. Just pay for shipping. After that, $23 a month plus shipping. And you have your box full of some goodies in there. The thing I'm most excited about right now is the t-shirt. I love getting new t-shirts. Who doesn't like getting a new good t-shirt? And they're quality t-shirts at that. So, new hunting apparel is always fun to get. And he also has some 2, 3, 4 surprise items in there, depending on whoever he's collabed with that month. So let's open this up and see what we got going. All right. Oh, cool. That's packed. There you go. That's it, packed. And right off the bat is a Kurt & Clint koozie with Working Class Bow Hunter and CNC Hunt Files, which is really cool. I love their logo. Gotta love their logo. So we taking that to bear camp or deer camp. I'll be keeping that in my hunt bag for sure. Get a chance, get online, look up Working Class Bow Hunter or the CNC Hunt Files, listen to their podcast. I've always got it going in my vehicle. I swear, if this isn't going off, their podcast is going off. I'm always listening to podcasts. There's such good topics of conversation with everything they have on there. So, that's awesome. I'm not sure what this is. It is oh, okay. So lens cleaner for binos and scopes. That is cool. Again, from Working Class Bow Hunter. Like I said, I love their logo. That's a pretty nice. Hook that right to your bino case. I like that. I like that a lot. It's a really nice material. It seems really durable too. That's cool. All right. It looks like, oh, there's another Working Class Bow Hunter tape measure. There you go. You can measure your next trophy buck or fish. Or turkey. Measure some turkey spurs, turkey beard, anything you'd like to measure, out to 60 inches. So that's probably one tackle box. Absolutely, that's cool. I like that too. That's neat. I don't know what these are. These are called Off-Grid Fuel the Chase. That sounds cool. All right, it's a powder for water, I assume. You have Tiger's Blood and Blueberry Lemonade. So those would be cool. Just thinking about this, Palmer Brothers and I are putting together a hunt, which I'm kind of excited about. I'm really excited about. I'm always excited about new hunts. But I'll probably be drinking these while we're on the mountain. I'm not going to say what we're hunting, where we're hunting, when we're hunting, but we're putting one together as of right now. So stay tuned. That'll be cool. I was putting the smack down on out killing something. We're going to be out there killing something. So what I'm really excited about, there we go, nice. I like that. It's a 9th annual Deer Contest Bow Hunters League t-shirt. Super, gosh, wish you guys could feel that material. That is really, really nice. So I'll be wearing that for one of my next upcoming podcasts. So that is cool. It's a super nice t-shirt. Off-Grid, I assume, is the energy packs. I could be wrong on that, to read more on that, but it says right on the bottom here. Okay, I can't read that, the lighting's bad. Dietary supplement. Okay, so the packs, lens cleaner, tape measure, and Working Class Bow Hunter koozie. And, I'm sorry, the CNC Hunt Files with Clint. So those are cool, I like that. I'm super stoked about my first box. So yeah, definitely get online, get on the huntersboxclub.com. All this information will be in the description below. huntersboxclub.com, and check them out. They've got really, really cool, nice products in here, and it's affordable. $7.99 again for the first box free, and then $23 a month, and plus shipping, and you get a box every month. Some cool goodies. Who doesn't like getting new goodies? New hunting shirt, new hunting apparel. Yeah, super excited. Very, very excited about that. Cannot wait for next month's design, see what we got going on. So, as always, stay safe, shoot straight, bust them.